Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is A.L.C.S, where we take you along for the ride as we build, learn, and grow. Today we're going to take you with us as we do our farm chores. Now, because it is the winter time, we are focusing more so on the livestock, aka the chickens, instead of the garden so much. So what we do daily, we go to check on the chickens. So right here you'll see that they're letting the ladies out. We allow them to free range for a time every day while we are doing our chores, and it allows them to just kind of graze and do their thing. As you can see, it's kind of fenced in here because they started to wander a little too close to the driveway. So we have them their own little space here, and as you can see, they are freely roaming and eating the plants around. It's almost like their recess. They really enjoy that. So we are gonna take you over here as we go into the coop to check the nesting boxes, see if we got some eggs here, and if so, how many. So that's what we're doing here. You'll see my son has the cart in there for collection. This is where they spend their nights, inside the coop. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, and we got quite a few eggs here, so all praises to the Most High for that. He's gonna go ahead and collect those, and while he's doing that, my husband is going to look around the coop, and look, there's another egg right there. Sometimes they might drop an egg or two outside of the nesting boxes, but that's why we check. Alright, and after he's done collecting the eggs, we usually set them to the side, or he'll take them into the house, and then we'll continue with our chores. The chores consist of some maintenance items, which we'll show you here in a second. They include just cleaning out the chicken run, and making sure that we pick up any excess waste. We also check their food and replenish as needed. When they are out here, we give them a little snack, and as you can see, he's going to go ahead and get their water container out of there so that it may be cleaned and refreshed and refilled. So come along with us. That's what we're getting ready to do right now. It takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it, and I'm sure that they appreciate it very much. Of course, they are animals, so things tend to get messy sometimes. So he's just spraying out each of those cups. Sometimes they become soiled, or they may have a little bit of sand in them. So we want to make sure that we get all of that stuff out. He's also spraying off the lid. And like I said, these things do take time, but it's not that hard to do. All right, he's emptying that there. And now for the rinsing and the refill of fresh water. And while we're doing different things, of course, you can see the chickens like to watch sometimes. They like to see what's going on, what we're doing. So if you could see, he has this oversized, I call it the pooper scooper. And all he's doing is just picking up any of their waste, their manure, and he's going to take it around there to the compost pile, because free fertilizer, right? So he's going to do that, and then he'll go ahead and level out the sand and just make sure that it's nice and smooth for them. My son here is going to get them their little snack, which they truly enjoy. I mean, they look forward to it. One thing about these chickens is that they are so smart, and they like routines. They like routines, and they respond very well to those routines. So anyway, just kind of straightening up their home, leveling out the sand, moving any rocks out the way. And there they are, eating their little snack. And now they're headed back into the chicken run to finish off their day.